Have you ever noticed how the softest footsteps make the biggest difference? How a gentle touch can heal a broken heart? Today, let me tell you a beautiful secret from the Quran about walking through this world with kindness. Once upon a time, there was a child who learned something magical. In Surah Al-Furqan, Allah tells us that His beloved servants are those who walk upon the earth gently. One morning, this child saw a beautiful butterfly resting on a flower. Instead of grabbing it, the child watched quietly, letting it fly away peacefully. At school, when a friend fell down, the child didn't laugh. Instead, a gentle hand reached out to help them up. That's walking gently on the earth. At home, the child found a tiny kitten. With soft hands and a warm heart, the child petted it so gently that the kitten purred with joy. In the garden, the child scattered seeds for the birds. They came without fear, knowing this child would never hurt them. When baby brother was sleeping, the child walked on tiptoes as quiet as a whisper, so the baby could rest peacefully. The child even planted a tree, pressing the soil gently around its roots, giving it water and love to help it grow strong. You see, my dear friend, Allah loves those who are gentle. In Surah Al-Furqan, verse 63, He says, "The servants of the Most Merciful are those who walk upon the earth easily." Walking gently doesn't just mean quiet footsteps. It means being kind with your words, soft with your touch, and caring with your heart. So remember, every time you choose kindness over anger, gentleness over roughness, you're walking the way Allah loves, and that, little one, is the most beautiful way to walk through this world.